Hey guys, my name is Nathan and I'm with Covesting, and I'm about to show you something real cool. Follow me. This is what we call the Crypto Intelligence Portal. Check it out. We got 14 videos for you guys to teach you guys the basics of cryptocurrency trading. Hey Liz.
Hey!
Hi, I'm Liz.
Hi, I'm Morgan. Some of the things we're going to go over today are
Common mistakes traders make
investing strategies.
and technical analysis.
You guys are going to be pros in no time.
Thanks for joining us.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Here are the topics we will be discussing in the Crypto Intelligence Portal.
What is cryptocurrency and how are cryptocurrencies created?
What is cryptocurrency's potential? What are ICOs and how to invest in them?
Cryptocurrency trading basics, trading strategies and techniques, reading charts, and technical analysis.
We'll discuss risk management, trade positioning, and risk versus reward.
We'll also discuss mistakes every trader makes.
And finally, how to be successful in cryptocurrency trading.